Hello, ladies. Today we are speaking about the element of water. Very powerful element out of the four, which are again water, fire, earth, and air. And this is an element that's actually very strong in my own personal chart. However, I have noticed that when I maintain a daily practice of keeping my water intake high, I tend to notice a lot of beneficial things. Number one, my skin is always glowing, and people compliment on my skin. It's natural. I haven't done anything to it. Of course, I have blemishes and flaws and scars and all kinds of fun stuff, but overall, I have very clear skin. And one of the reasons that I have this amazing skin is I always say to people something someone taught me so long ago, and it is the message of whatever we want to change on the outside, we work by going internally. Okay. So, which means if you want something on the outside, on the physical realm, we need to use a holistic tool or modality on the inside. And this is the magic of drinking pure water. So I am very grateful today that I actually have some water here, and it comes straight up from the ground through a UV filter. The water tastes so clean and pure, and I have been doing all kinds of fun things with it. You'll notice behind me, I have bottled water behind me. So I'll be sharing a lot of the tips in the upcoming videos. And again, these are sequential. So remember to keep looking at them, and you'll notice by the end of the video sequencing how I'm going to continue to enhance the water. So this video is just literally telling us to remember to up our water intake every single day. And the next videos are going to share with you some tips on how you can do that, because I know some people just say, I just can't do it. So I'm going to share some tools and techniques with you, and I look forward to seeing you in those upcoming videos. Cheers for now.